to show you guys how much we appreciate you showing us around and everything like that, we do have some gifts for you guys. Hey guys, if you guys remember Spider Girl, she was in some past videos, and you guys mentioned to want to meet their family. So Richie and I came over here, and after we talk to them, we'll show you their home and everything in the area. But maybe you guys can just introduce yourselves. This is the mother. What's your name?
Joanne.
Joanne, okay.
Spider Girl. So we call her Spider Girl because we don't know her.
Yeah, when we didn't know her name, we just call her Spider Girl. Because guess she has a spider in there right now.
Yeah.
And Jenny Lee, right?
Jenny Lee? Yeah.
And then
Ikaw?
your name?
Giselle.
Joselle?
Ikaw dong? Jupil?
Jupel. All right. And do you have a husband or do you have a partner?
Yeah,
Working construction? All right.
Oh.
In Toledo or
Asa man tayo? Dira asan?
Tumahan ako, may mangga dapat ba?
Just near here.
near here? Okay. All right. Has the whole virus thing and the lockdown affected his work?
After the lockdown hit, her husband didn't go back abroad and just work here.
Okay, so his other job was working abroad. And then since the COVID, he came back here. How often is he able to work construction here?
Kada daw yung trabaho diri ite. Dili.
Nagkuan raw na sila doon. Yan ang bangag di ba nanguan rin ka
Mining?
ng para makakontrol.
Ah,
Wala.
Now her husband is not working. It just you know,
Kauban na
here
siya.
it's very common digging, finding gold like that.
Okay, so he's trying to find gold right
Yeah.
now. Does he do this on his own?
Yeah, lahat ate.
Sa iya isuon.
With his brother.
With his brother? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, has he found any gold yet?
Kakita natin.
Wala.
Not yet?
Yeah.
How long has he been trying to
Kapila na
find
siya
gold?
nagkalat-kalat eh. 1 month. They
1
started
month.
1 month.
Alright, so people do try to find gold here. That's interesting. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. So besides the gold finding, is there any other way that you make income or make money right now?
Trabaho, apply ba?
No,
Wala.
he's
May
finding.
kita.
He's still finding jobs.
Okay, so he's still looking for
Looking
jobs,
for a job.
but he's just doing the digging just for something to
Yeah.
until he can find maybe something. Right now, with like no work, do you make any money monthly right now, or
Right now, no income, but at least they receive a little amount from the government. But only that. Kausaratin no.
Kuan man to, kaduha man to.
Twice. They receive rice and 6,000 to sa SAPTE, no? And from the government 6,000. And also they sometimes her brother gave them for their foods.
okay? So every once in a while, your brother will help out with foods and things like that. And since the pandemic or the lockdown, you've gotten 1 sack of rice.
Not just some 20 kilos or today or 5 kilos. 25 kilos.
25 kilos one time.
Mm.
Okay, and then 6,000 pesos one time.
Mm.
Okay. Do you have a garden or growing any kind of vegetables in your property?
Nakagaling gamay dito.
Na diha day gamay ana.
Yeah, outside.
Do you own any chickens or goats or a cow or anything like that?
Nakay.
Na ako manok kami.
She has chicken little.
Chickens? Okay. Would you ever want a goat or
None.
anything like that?
Ginan ka nga hayop eh, kanding.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
puno-puno
She
ni
has
mo balay.
cow. She has cow, but they sell it.
Why did you sell it?
Kanang ibaligya to ni mo te?
Na puno ana day.
For this house.
Okay, for the house. We'll show you in a second. They're actually constructing a new house. So how long ago did you start building the new house?
So na ni ka konti pag start niyo ang balaya.
Atong February.
They started February.
In February. Okay. And are you still doing it? Are you still constructing it?
Karon te, gihunongan ninyo te or gipadayon pa.
Punong day.
Stop.
Wala na.
They stop because they
No money?
no income.
Okay. We'll show you in a second though, but it has the walls, the 4 walls. It looks like it just needs the roof and then the inside.
Okay, nga spider girl. Asan nga ang spider?
These interviews are not so fun for the kids sometimes. After lockdown, is your husband able to go back abroad to work?
Di man sa lockdown te, makabalik pa magtrabaho yung mga nasa abroad te.
Niingon man to nga makabalik ra siya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Okay. What are the most important things that you need right now? Like food, maybe a goat. Are there any other items that are important right now to have?
Kuan day kanang pagkaon day
Food, rice.
Food, okay.
Ita pangita trabaho no.
It's hard to find job
Yeah,
because of pandemic.
okay. People were just asking before for ideas for gifts and things like that, but since there's 3 children, maybe school supplies gifts or a goat
Oh,
and food.
Yeah.
Those are probably the most important
Yeah,
things. Okay. So here's their house in front of me. I'll just show you the outside real quick. Here's the entrance to the house. So here's the other angle of the main room. And they sometimes sleep in here. And then there's another room here, which is kind of like the refrigerator room with the window here. And then this is another little room where they sleep as well. Jenny Lee is going to show us her beetle. She has a beetle in there. It's a big one. And she also has a spider in there. So they do have a goat here, but it's not theirs. They take care of it like other families here. And then when the owner sells it, they might get a little commission. All right, so here's the house here. And in front, here's a little garden. This is cassava, and this is moringa. They have many growing there. So they also have agbati here, and then some beans. And they have eggplant right here. And then banana, papaya. And this is more agbati in the back of the house with some bananas there. And some moringa over there. So here's the house they're living in right now, and then this is the house that they're building at the moment. And they had to stop because they did run out of money. But this is the outer part of it. And here's the side. And this is their rooster. And this is the sand they have. I assume they're using it for the house. And for the time being, they are using this kitchen. This is where we had the interview before. Boongan.
Limoncito.
Oh, limoncito.
Favorite.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites. I have that almost every day. For cooking and things like that, they got all this from the woods and they tied them together. This is all for cooking and starting fires. We're gonna go to the Tabai right now where they get the water. So Spider Girl or Jenny Lee's house is right over there. And then Omen's house is actually down there. And there's another well down there. It's probably like a 15-minute walk from here or so. And that's where they get the water for washing. And here, we're gonna go to another well where they get the water for drinking. Look at that, perfect idea for a funnel. That's awesome. Now we got the water, now we're just gonna head back. So they do this 3 times a day. They fetch water and this is for drinking.
It is too big. Water. That's from Angie.
So this one's for Angie, and she's gonna go off to her house. So Angie, she was actually in our classes before too, and she received a book bag and school supplies as well.
Lepit, lepit. Lepit, wait. Ang tikusugin.
Pwede kusog. Gaya ko, Peng. Iniwan.
Nagko na ba? Saan? Use ginit sa lube from the coconut like branch.
Yeah.
This one for strainer.
And this is from the coconut.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. So if you don't have a strainer at home, they're going to show us what they use if you don't have one.
Gamay lang daw.
Bisik tanan.
Kiki doon naman kay ko.
All right. So he just cut this from the tree, and this can be used as a strainer.
Yeah, just wash this one.
And you could also use it as a slipper, right?
Yeah.
If you wanted to.
Yeah, before in school, this is one of the projects.
Okay.
Like art time, then use ginit and make a slipper, form a slipper, and then
You sew it. Okay,
and then
cool.
put like this
Ah.
and then slip.
Kumot.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Intrude.
Kumot.
We have some cool tang. Those look familiar. Those are from the school supplies.
Yeah.
Ah, very cool.
Oh, wow.
All right, so here's the coffee right here, and this is corn
Corn
coffee.
Sinunog na bugas.
I usually drink it plain, but I'll try it with a little bit of sugar today. Did you want some?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can share.
She won't drink anything without sugar. So.
Ay, kuha na kong gibot.
Ini. Madagag no.
Kape pinto tama na. Uy.
Very tasty.
Hindi mo nalamit kay bugnaw.
So that is how you make your own strainer. If you have a coconut tree in the backyard, there's many different uses for it. I mean, you can, this is limitless what you can do with the coconut tree, but here's another one. And you can make a slipper. It's almost the shape of a slipper too. All right, so I have some gifts for him. And before we do, since people were kind of asking about Ginny Lee's family, maybe Ginny Lee, would you like to talk about yourself a little bit? What grade are you in?
Saan graduha dahil Ginile?
Grade 2.
Grade 2?
Grade 2?
All right, and how old are you, Ginny Lee?
Laida din mo dahil? 7.
7 years old, all right.
Yeah.
What's your favorite subject in school?
So may gananin mga subject sa eskwelahan? Math, English, unsa man? Recess. Unsa man
You like them all?
Uy, sisira na ganyan nahibawan mo.
Maybe science, because she
Yeah.
likes insects so much.
Yeah, I think so.
So if you don't know, if you haven't seen the other videos, she really loves insects and spiders.
Yeah.
She's always into bugs and things like that. What kind of hobbies do the other kids have? Do you have any hobbies?
Kasi day, ikay may gananin mo nga buhatan.
She's been studying pretty much the whole time we're here, so I think she really likes school and studying. Do you have a favorite subject?
Sa favorite subject mo?
Filipino.
Filipino.
Filipino, okay.
Ikaw, sa favorite subject mo? Science.
Science. To show you guys how much we appreciate you showing us around and everything like that, we do have some gifts for you guys. It seems like you never bring enough books, but I did bring 2, and I can bring more next time. But these are for you guys. I got the Jungle Book and I Love You, Grandpa.
Yeah.
So these are for you guys, and you guys can share. And you can keep those as long as you want. If you do want more, we're not too far away, and we can always give you guys more, okay? We have some face masks for everybody.
No.
I can just put them up here. So here's some pansa or bihan. And there's a bag of rice for you. This is a little heavy. Are you sure? Is that okay? Alright.
I'll put here.
Alright. Here's some toothbrushes and toothpaste. There's 2 tubes of toothpaste in here. Here's for everyone. And some soap. There's 6 packets of soap in here for washing clothes. And here's some milk. And 2 soaps. It's shampoo and conditioner in one, so there's 2 of these. And here's some bar soap for you guys. There's 6 of those. And the rest is canned goods. We got some Century tuna. We got 5 cans of those. And then 5 cans of chicken. So we try to get some healthy stuff. If you guys have any other recommendations to give, we try to get the best stuff we can. There's 5 of each. All right. So again, thank you for showing us around and letting us get to know you guys. It's interesting for me to meet different families and things like that. So again, and thanks to you guys for watching, subscribing, and all those fun things. So I really do appreciate it. And I think we're just gonna hang out here for a minute, and then Richie and I are just gonna let them be and they can enjoy their day. So thank you guys very much, and we'll see you guys next time.
1, 2, 3. Salamat!
Kita na siya. Kita ko na.
Wala. Biti na super. Kan ang mura to, oh.
Alright guys, Richie and I went back to the house. We didn't know how many kids there were exactly, but we got a book for Drupal. And it's Stories for Books, Stories for Boys. And this is from booksforless.ph. So sorry I'm a little winded, we just walked up the hill. But that's a great present, or great gift, is booksforless.ph. So thank you guys very much. Alright, see you guys later.